Every morning, you wake up. Open Slack. Check Gmail. Update a spreadsheet. Reply to 5 messages. Book a meeting. Sound familiar? That ritual. Opening apps, clicking through tasks, copy-pasting between tabs. It just became obsolete. OpenAI just launched something called Workspace Agents. Google launched the Gemini Enterprise Agent Platform. And they are both building the exact same thing. AI that lives inside your tools. Not beside them. Inside them. An AI that reads your Slack. Pulls data from your CRM. Drafts a response. Updates your database. Gets approval from your manager. All without you touching a single tab. For years, AI was a chatbot. You open ChatGPT, type a prompt, copy the answer, paste it somewhere else. Still a tool. Now the AI is the app. It authenticates into your tools. It takes action on your behalf. It runs while you sleep. OpenAI Workspace Agents connect to Slack, Salesforce, Google Drive, and they work automatically. No copy-paste. No tabs. No you. And OpenAI is not alone. Google is doing this. Microsoft is doing this. Anthropic is doing this. Every major company is racing to build the same thing. An AI layer that replaces the apps you use every single day. Google says 89% of business teams are already using AI agents. Average organization? 12 agents per team. And that number is growing fast. So what does this actually mean for most knowledge workers? Customer service tickets, automated. Sales follow-ups, automated. Weekly reports, automated. Data entry, automated. The glue work that fills your day. An agent can do it faster. Cheaper. 24 hours a day. Never calls in sick. But here is the thing nobody is talking about. If AI can open your apps, read your data, send your emails, do you still need apps? Or just AI? The app stores on your phone exist because humans needed a way to tell computers what to do. What happens when the computer does not need you to tell it anymore? The app era lasted 15 years. We built entire economies around it. App stores, SaaS subscriptions, mobile-first companies. That world is being rewritten right now. This is not a prototype. OpenAI Workspace Agents are live. Google Gemini Agent Platform is live. They are being rolled out to businesses today. AI agents are taking over. You can fight it or you can learn how to build with it. Because the next wave is not coming. It is here.